Okay, now coming to the surgical planning. We can see on the left side here, on the right side here. Right side is more deep, more receded here. So we're trying now to give him a design which is an age-matched hairline. We're going to start now the procedure of drawing. This is on the right side. Now, when we connect the dots, the hairline appears. This is the anterior point. We are connecting the dots going to the right lateral point. And this small area here is called the windows peak, and we are reconstructed. As we connect on this side, on the left side, the hairline appears again. Dots being connected. This is the windows peak. The irregularity so that it looks more natural. This is irregularity or zigzag.
I'm very happy with design.